everyone! I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carrion, and today we're gonna talk about an awesome topic, inflation. So pay close attention. Inflation is when prices of things go up over time. That means that some money buys less than before. Imagine your favorite candy that costs 5 today. Next year, it costs 6. The next year after that costs 7. That raising price is inflation. The reason number 1 is that more people want to buy things, but they aren't enough for everyone. When demand goes up, prices go up too. Reason number 2, it becomes more expensive for companies to make things. If it costs them more, they charge us more. Reason number 3, when a country prints too much money, more money in the system can make prices rise. We see inflation in real life. Food costs more, clothes cost more, and even school supplies cost more. That's inflation at work. When prices go up, families have to think more carefully about how to spend their money. Maybe they buy fewer treats or wait for sales. Inflation isn't always bad. A small amount of inflation is normal and healthy. But if inflation is too high, it becomes a problem because everything gets too much more expensive too fast. Countries try to control inflation. The central bank can charge interest rates or reduce how much money is going around. Their goal is to keep inflation stable so prices don't get out of control. We can't stop inflation, but we can be smart about it. We can save money, look for good prices, and buy only what we really need. So remember, inflation means prices go up and money buys less. It happens for different reasons and affects everyone. I really hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!